install the ESR screen protector for your iPhone 14. Let's get into it and check it out together. Inside this 3-pack, you get your wet wipes, you get your little cloth to get rid of all that dust, and you also get a nice easy installation tray, so this should be pretty simple to install. So let's go through this installation process, and of course the number one thing you want to do is make sure you remove any dust particles or any old screen protector that you might have on your phone. So let me just remove my old screen protector here. Let's get rid of that one. Next, what we want to do is get a wet wipe. So let's go ahead and get this wet wipe here and just kind of wet down the screen. Again, you just want to make sure you don't have any dust particles or anything crazy like that. That's going to remain underneath the glass. But if you do mess up, thankfully, once again, this is a 3-pack, so you can just do it again. And this screen protector should be pretty clear as well in terms of clarity and whatnot. So just kind of wipe down your screen just like so. Very, very simple. Next, get your little cloth here, and of course, you have nice little indicators. This is part number 2. Thank you very much. Now, if you do see that you have any dust on your screen, that's when you use the number 3 labeled dust removal stickers. But I'm not seeing any dust so far, so I don't think I'm going to need those. If I turn off my screen here, let's kind of see. I do not see any dust particles. Now what you want to do is put on the easy installation tray, just like that. Get your screen protector ready and pull your little tab off. Try not to get any fingerprints on the underside of the screen. Line it up on the bottom and just kind of drop it into place and let the magic ESR screen protector do its thing. Super, super simple, guys. This could not be any simpler or quicker. And I noticed right off the bat, I have a little bit of an air bubble in the middle. Now, if you do have any air bubbles, these should go away in about a day or so. I'm surprised they don't give us one of those squeegees to kind of remove this air pocket. See if you can kind of massage it off to the side or off to the top. You just want to make sure that everything adhered properly and just kind of rub your finger along the sides to ensure that does happen. And one more time with this little air bubble. So here we go, guys. Super, super clear. This is a very nice screen protector from ESR. So let's kind of just check out that dynamic island. This is why I recommend ESR. They don't have any cutouts. Your dynamic island is going to work perfectly fine. And it's going to look super cool as well. No problems with case compatibility either. You can see there's still a little bit of space in between the edges and the ESR screen protector. So well done when it comes to a case-friendly tempered glass. And again, it's just super, super clear. It looks really, really nice in HD quality. As far as touch responsiveness, no issues, just like if you didn't have any glass on top of your original Apple glass. Super, super impressed with this ESR screen protector.